In this video, I will show how to create pie chart design in an Excel sheet for your project. Here you can change chart format, color, size, border as you wish. You can customize like this.
In a quiet village dawn, shadows retreat away from night. Her voice wakes the silent yawn as dewdrops capture first light. Eyes betray her hidden tears. Sadness paints the morning sky, yet she sings to banish fears with a soft and mournful sigh. Echoes dance on cobblestone, whispers mix with morning breeze. Memories of love they've known drift like leaves from autumn trees. Heartache wrapped in melody, each note raw and bittersweet.